Catch this baby bird. What? I can't hear you. You got to get closer to me so everybody can hear what you're saying. Because if I can't hear you, neither can they. What's going on? You're catching this baby bird? You should have warned it.
It's going around. Hurry!
Oh, well, you might not want to get any closer because there's a big, huge puddle of water there. Maybe you can just go straight across. Get it, get it, get it.
It's way down in there.
Well, you're going to have to figure out. Oh, I see it. There it is.
Right there?
Yeah.
No.
That's not your baby bird?
It's swimming with the ducks still.
Well, maybe a ducky will bring it to you.
It's white.
Uh-huh.
And it has a little orange beak with yellow legs.
Well, ask them if they'll bring it to you.
Will you bring my baby to me? Woo. I guess they will. My baby, it's getting closer. It's right there. Tell it to swim.
Swim, baby, swim.
It's going between those steps.
Okay.
Under the bridge. It's going around again.
Show it how to swim again.
Okay, snap your wings, touch your feet, and glide like this as fast as you can.
Okay, well, let's... Oh, there they are. Are those your babies? Those?
Let me look at those babies. They're not even baby birds.
Excuse me. No, I meant those.
No.
No? Well, where is your baby bird now?
My baby's going under the bridge. What?
Quick! Catch that baby bird. Catch it, catch it.
It's going down.
Well, you better catch it because we got to leave.
I'm going to take my sandals off and go in.
No. Not again.
That's the only way to find it.
All right, nope. It's beside you. I see it.
Wait, no, it's not.
Yeah, I got to turn the camera off.
It's not.
We got to go home. Leon, I'm serious.